Good day, guys. How was your weekend? Hope it was good. So, I just woke up to the news that Upbit listed TAO and it pumped massively. And right now it's retracing. So, I made a little analysis of the token. So, the first thing I do, as usual, is to look for where the buying and selling pressure is so that I can form a hypothesis of where the buyers and sellers are. And I do that using my swing trades on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily. So on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that there is a strong selling pressure here because these swings have been respected many times. Okay, so sellers are here, strong sellers are here waiting to push the price down. And I can also see there is a strong selling pressure here, which later turned to a support. As you can see at this point, it turned to this support. And this is where the initial bullish momentum started, and here we have a support. So I can say that there are sellers here, the strong sellers here waiting to push the price down, and there's also a level of support here. Now, since price hasn't formed a new high or a new low, I cannot trade this token because I don't have any indication. What I'll do is to set an alert, because if price crosses the 205 region, 206 actually, 206.3, if price crosses 206.3, it means that there are no longer sellers here and price has the potential to push till this point to 218, which you can see there is even a wick here, which means sellers actually push the price from this point. So if price exceeds this region, it has the bullish momentum to get to 220. But if price breaks the 179.45 region, it means buyers are no longer here and it is an indication of a bearish momentum, and price has every momentum, every force to push to the next level, which is around here, which is around 146. So I'll be setting two alerts, but actually my main bias is bearish because after an Upbit listing, the token usually pumps before it finally retraces. Although I have a bearish bias, I still have to wait to see what price does, because I'm not trading what I want. I'm actually trading what the market is saying, where the market is going. So if price crosses here, which we are likely to see, if price breaks below this point, that will be an indication, and I will wait for a price correction above this level. And once the correction starts, I'll scale down to my 15-minute time frame and see where the correction ends. So when it starts forming a bullish trend, I'll open a short and target this region. But if price breaks above this level, that will be an indication for an uptrend. I'll wait for a correction down below this region, and once the correction starts, I'll scale down to the 15-minute time frame and watch till it starts forming a bullish trend. Then I open a long and target the next level where sellers are, which is around this region. So that's it from me about Tower token. Have you traded this token today already? I heard about some people long in this token and they've made some profit. So, did you trade this token today? What are your observations? What are your contributions or suggestions about this token? I'd love to know. So, that's it for now. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in my next video.